Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete junk files from PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go here in your menu bar and you have to write run over here, or you can press Window plus R. Once you see this app on your menu bar, you have to click on this app and you will see this type of window on your screen. So here you have to type %temp %. Once you're done with this text, then you have to hit on OK. When you click on OK, then you will see all the junk files over here. And here you have to select all these files. Press Ctrl plus A and select all these files and then press Shift plus delete. Once you press Shift plus delete and then press yes, and then all your junk data will be deleted in just few seconds and your computer will be faster. Some files may not be deleted, so it's okay. You can skip because these files are may used in some programs, so you can skip them. So guys, this is how to delete junk files from your PC or laptop. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.